As summer season kicks into high gear across the EU and the UK, the threat of the Delta variant is ever present, with many EU countries reintroducing curfews, quarantines and testing requirements. On the plus side, travel rules have become increasingly competent across the bloc. EU countries are using similar processes at border control and also domestically. Every country is using the EU digital COVID certificate to enter, and many are requiring green passes to enter cultural venues, restaurants and bars, which require proof of negative COVID-19 health status. On the flip side, a further layer of complexity has been added to people's ability to navigate travel restrictions. There are now different rules in place for vaccinated, unvaccinated travelers, countries are on different traffic light lists from country to country, and tourists must ascertain how to obtain green passes to eat out and participate in cultural events. The biggest positive is that more EU countries are opening to fully vaccinated travelers, and from the 2nd of August, this also includes the UK, now open to US and EU travelers, both of which have put increasing pressure on the Biden administration to reciprocate and open US borders soon. Austria is using the EU digital COVID certificate to allow unrestricted travel across the EU and Schengen area countries, and is also operating a green pass for access to public spaces. Its hotels and restaurants are open. From the 3rd of August, it has tightened travel requirements from anyone arriving from the Netherlands, Spain or Cyprus. These people now need a negative PCR test result taken no more than 72 hours before arrival. There are also tighter restrictions for arrivals from areas where there are virus variants, where people must arrive with a negative PCR test and quarantine for 10 days. Botswana, Brazil, Eswatini, India, Lesotho, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, Nepal, Russia, South Africa, the UK, Uruguay, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Belgium joined its national COVID-19 vaccination passport to the EU-wide system on June 16 through the COVID Safe BE application, and over 11 million certificates have been downloaded, according to the figures provided by Digital Flanders and COVID Safe BE. Restaurants and bars are open. Belgium color codes countries to determine travel restrictions as per ECDC recommendations, and most of the EU and Schengen area are currently green, as well as some third-party countries: Albania, Australia, New Zealand, Ukraine, Singapore, South Korea, Japan, North Macedonia, Serbia, Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Brunei Darussalam, Canada, Kosovo, Moldova, Montenegro, Qatar and Saudi Arabia.